Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll show you how to fix drop FPS. League of Legends after install Vanguard patch. First, go to search box and search exploit protection. Go to program settings. Go to add program to customize. Choose exact file path. Go to C drive. Go to Riot Games. Go to League of Legends. Go to Game. Choose League of Legends. Then click OK. Scroll down and go to Display all extension points. Check Override System Settings. Turn on. Then click Apply. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.